What's up, fan? Today we going to Titan Saw Man vs Titan Time Man. Grab you own snack or drink, sit down, relax to watch this video. Let's start. Oh no! Brew, why so serious? I'm going to use up Tyron Sawman because G-Box can fly. So lag. Much better. So easy beat this boss. Yup is easy. You chill. I guess we have beat 2 Ultra G-Box. One down. Easy. So that all today. And you want know, where is Titan Time Man? I will do part 2 for Titan Time Man. That all now, and you can watch my other video.